Hey everyone, it's Miss Spencer. Today we'll be dividing whole numbers by unit fractions. Procreity has two bags of candy. She gives each of her friends one third of a bag. How many friends can she give one third of a bag of candy to? Use a model to represent your answer. So first thing we're going to do is create an equation. What we're going to ask ourselves is what are we splitting up? Well, we are splitting up the two bags of candy. So our dividend, or the first number in our division equation, is going to be 2. Now we're going to see how much each friend is going to get. Well, Prakriti is going to give one third of a bag to each friend. So our divisor is going to be one third. There are two bags of candy, and each friend is getting one third of a bag. So let's use a model to represent our answer. We're going to start with two models here because our starting number, our dividend, is 2. We're going to break each model into one-third size pieces since we're dividing by one third. And now we're just going to count how many one-third size pieces we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 one-third size pieces. So that means that Prakriti can give 6 friends one third of a bag of candy. Edward has 3 pounds of gumballs. He gives each of his friends one fourth of a pound of gumballs. How many friends can Edward give one fourth of a pound of gumballs to? So we're going to start with an equation. We need to first ask ourselves what is being shared. Well, 3 pounds of gumballs is being shared, so our dividend is going to be 3. He is going to give each of his friend one fourth of a pound of gumballs, so our divisor is one fourth. Now let's use a model to represent our answer. Our dividend is 3, so we're going to start with 3 models here. We're going to break each model into one-fourth size pieces since our divisor is one fourth. Now we're going to count how many one-fourth size pieces there are. We can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 one-fourth size pieces. So Edward can give one-fourth of a pound of gumballs to 12 friends. Now let's try to use a visual model, our quotient, and a sentence explanation. Here we have 1 divided by 1/2. So we're going to start with one model and break it into half-size pieces. We're now going to count how many half-size pieces there are. In this model, there are 1, 2 half-size pieces, so the quotient or the answer is 2. In our sentence explanation, we're going to put that 1 split into 1 half-size pieces is 2. Now let's try 2 divided by 1/2. We're going to start with 2 models and break each model into 1 half-size pieces. Now we're going to count how many half-size pieces there are. We can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 half-size pieces, so our quotient is 4. For our sentence explanation, we're going to write that 2 split into 1 half-size pieces is 4. Finally, let's do 3 divided by 1/3. We're going to start with 3 models. We're going to break each model into 1/3 size pieces. Now let's count the number of one-third size pieces there are. We can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 one-third size pieces, so our quotient is 9. For our sentence explanation, we're going to write 3 split into one-third size pieces is 9.